rewriting the code. Means without rewriting the code, we have to like access the code and reuse that one in the another form. Okay, so no need to write written in that again and again. It means it is a process. It is a process that allows to access and reuse the code without rewriting re, rewriting the code. Okay, this is code reusability. And the OP concept, the OP, object oriented programming, can achieve the reusability, can achieve achieve the reusability by using aggregation and inheritance. Okay, by using aggregation. First one is aggregation, A double G R E wait double G R E G A T I O N, aggregation. And next one we have inheritance. Okay guys, these are two types of, by using the aggregation and inheritance we are like do that one. Okay guys, wait 2 minutes. Okay, so what is aggregation? It means like, what is aggregation? So it is a process to access the code and reuse again in that also, because we are like discuss that code reusability in that by using the aggregation and inheritance we are doing that one. But how can you access that one? I will discuss that one also. Okay, wait, I will open that at first the Visual Studio Code. Okay. So like definition of aggregation is that is a process to accessing the code of one component in another component without configuring the relation between the two components, and this is possible by using object to object relationship. Okay, means one component, two component are there, so I want to use both component, like in that I want to build a relation between them. Okay, so by using the object to object relation it will be possible. Okay, without that it's not possible. Okay guys, so I will discuss what is aggregation, and then I will tell you the example with practically. We are discussing in the yesterday session how can you return the classes, and in that we are written the method and constructor. Let's see, I will zoom that one at first. Wait. So I have to return like classes. In the class we have superclass, superclass, and in that returning method, print method. Okay, in the print method I print console.log. In that I want to print superclass. Okay, this is superclass. It's a superclass. This is a superclass. Okay guys, so next wait, yeah, here end that class option. Okay, this is superclass. Then I will derive like derive class is derive derived class. Okay, in that I have to return, what is the issue in that? Wait, expedition, expected. Yeah, we are doing same now. Okay, let's see. Derive class, in that I written a method, it's print method. Okay. Okay, in that I have written like access the fast super classes. Let obj, in that I have to assign a new, using the new like memory, new keyword, new super class. Okay. Yeah, object dot print. Okay, console. Then I want to print it, I access that like fast classes, the super classes in that derived classes by using the like access the object, and I want to print that whatever I written in that super classes I want to print in that derived classes. And I using like console, I've written console dot log in that derived classes. Wait 2 minutes, I will silent my mobile. Okay, console.log, in that we have derived classes, derive class. Okay, so open that one in that live server. Okay, let's see. Okay, at first, like super class and derived class. What is that? Super class means it's a class and derived class is a class, but it's a parent class, it's a child class. Imagine that it's a parent class, and in the derived is class. In that, like we are accessing super classes. After that, we can access both of the classes value, like whatever you written in that, like constructor and like method, and you have to call a function, whatever you written in the both the function you can access by using this method. Okay, aggregation method, this is the aggregation method. Then we have to discuss inheritance also. Okay, let's see. Right click on that. Yeah, I'm right click on that. Failed to load, the server respond with status 404 not. Okay, let's see what is the issue in that. Super, in that print. If I change the name of that, it's super. In that I have written super. If I copy that one, it's better. Yeah, in the derived class console.log. Okay, it's, yeah. So same thing is, I think. Let's see, it's working fine or not. Console.log. I will do one thing. I will open again with the it's right. Yeah, inspect. What the issue? Okay. Okay, you understand that one, like we are like accessing that using that like access at the derived classes, and we are return the superclasses. In that we are like accessing by using object. Okay, this is the aggregation method. Okay, next I will, this is not important, better than like inheritance are using like in JavaScript, but aggregation is the only method to understand these things, how it's work. Okay, I will show you uh, this one is also okay. So how it will work also. Okay, don't worry about that. So before that, go to the inheritance means in that like in the intermediate you have to learn like in biology. I think you heard that word like inheritance means it will be like carry the character from the parents to the child. Okay, it's the same also. Inheritance means like it will be whatever you have to return in that super classes on the, and you have to access in the child classes also. Okay, so it is a technique to reuse the code one component to another component by using by conferring relation between the component. Means it's like in the aggregation we are like not connect to the relation between the two component, but in the inheritance we are like build a relation in between that two component. Okay, okay. So what is like aggregation is also known as a has a relation, and like inheritance is also known as a is a relation. Okay, what is the difference between that? I already told you that one. Like in that we are like build a like relation between the object to object, not a like component to component. In that like inheritance we are uh, build a relation in the component to another component. Okay, so technically by using the extend keyword we are doing that one, like extend by using extend keyword. Okay, so let's see that one. I will done that one in that. Let's see class super classes per class. Okay, in that I have to return print I copy that one is better. Okay, so in that I have to change something, nothing to be, we are using super keyword to call that sub classes. Okay, super dot print. Okay, in that we are calling that one by using super keyword. It's super require it's not super. Okay, let's see, it's conjure dot log derive classes, derive as derive class. Okay, print method, let's say conjure dot log. Okay, next we have to like define an object. Let obj in that that new derive, call the derive classes. Okay, so object obj dot print. Okay, so one thing you have to observe that one, it's I am returning two print method, like same name in the print method. I will discuss you later like why I return that two print method in the both classes. Okay, don't worry about that. New object derive. Okay, wait, working on that, let's see. Either is that like dot print is not a function. Okay. On case type or intermediate is dot print is not a function. Okay. Print for dot print. Okay, wait. Yeah. Same error I think. Okay. New derive. Okay, I will change something in that. Super classes. Super class. I will return again. Wait. Class super. Wait. 2 minutes. Some guys are like asking to enter in that. I will let you know once. Okay. Wait. So super classes, super class. Okay. In that I have written console.log, console console.log. In that, wait, I have to remove that one. Console.log. Yeah. Console.log. In that I have written something in that super class print method. Print. Okay, method. Only method. Okay. You got the error in that. Expected. Okay. It will be require a method. So in that we have to print that one. Okay. Print require method. Wait. Print. Okay. In the print method, we are returning that one console.log. So it perform better. No error in that. Okay. So in that next we have class and derive. Okay. Okay. We are not like using extend keyword. Na? That's why it shows error. Okay. Sorry for that. Extend require. Okay. Extend super classes. Super class. Okay. Then we have to print that one. Print. So in that, wait. In that we are returning like using a super keyword. We are accessing the super classes. Let's print. Print. Okay. In that also we are returning capital P. Okay. Fast one. Okay. It's console. I have to copy that one. It's better. Console.log. Okay, guys. In that I have to return di plus print method. Der di plus. Next we have to return let object. In that we are accessing new memory. A new derive, derive in that, okay, obj dot print. Okay, I have to close that one at first, then I have opened. Okay, wait. Yeah, open that one. In that, inspect. And over, I think. Yeah, that's great. It's printed now. Super class paint method and derive class paint method. If I remove that like super classes, then it not printed that one. Let's see. If you observe that one, it's not printed. It's been, it's mandatory to you have to call by using super keyword. Okay. Then first we are discussing that one also. We are written. Wait, I will let you know what are the issue we are facing in the first in the aggregation method. It's class super per class. Okay, in that we are like print method. Wait, print. In that we are returning console dot log. Okay, so it's super classes, super class in method, in method, method. Okay, so I will copy that one and paste in the next line. I will change the name of that. Then I will want to wait. Question not. Let's derive class. Derive derive class in that print method, and we have to access by using object. Let object let obj in that we are new keyword by using new memory super super classes. Okay, super class, then obj dot print. Okay, print. Let's see it's working fine or not. It's need to be derived classes. You have to return its derived class deriv. Okay, derived classes print method. No error, but not printing. Okay, we are like defining in that aggregation in this method, and inheritance in that we are extend by using extend keyword. We are doing that one. Okay, I hope you understand these things. Okay, so next we have to go wait. Okay, next we have to go polymorphism. What is polymorphism? How can you define that one? I'll give you example. Then we are going to like okay, one thing is that in that many classes are there. Okay, in the example we have two classes. Okay, by using in that inheritance method we have two classes, but in the many of that it's three or more than two classes, three, four, five, any of the classes in that. So we can you cannot do that one by accessing by using extend keyword. Okay, it's no need to be polymorphism. Okay, what is polymorphism and how can you define that? I will show you on that. Okay, without by using extend keyword we are accessing two classes, but more than that by using polymorphism. So I will give you example like a corporate, in the corporate how can you we are like accessing employee, every employee, like uh, a employee or a manager accountant. How can you, we are accessing that value and print in that. Okay, I will show you on that. Wait. Polymorphism, poly means many, and morpho means many form. Okay, so it will be like defining that many classes in that we are like accessing. Okay, let's see. It's class in employee. Okay, wait, what is the issue in that? CLA class in that employee. Okay, so in the employee I have it's an a like property in that. It's last name, last name. Then we have last name and designation. Okay, I will change that one. Last name, it's last name, and we have designation, DESIGNATI1. Okay, designation. In that we have written, these are the property. Okay, in that property I not like not assigning any value in that, not data. I'm not assigning any data in that property. Okay, after that I will assign whatever, like what are the name of that and what is the designation. I will assign all these things. Okay, the document print method. Okay, I will like forget that one. How we are like defining in the two classes the same method, I will told you all these things. Okay, after that I will discuss that like polymorphism. Right. Okay, so why we are using like two name, like same name in the two classes in that inheritance? Because if superclass and derived class are defined with the same name method, means in the same name method we are like defining in that classes, then the derived class method will hide the superclass method. So whatever we have written in the derived classes method, it will be hide the superclasses method. Okay, then you can access the superclass hidden method in derived class by using the superclass keyword. Have you understand that one? Means it told that like superclass and derived classes are like we are mentioning the same name, because when you are like mentioning the super keyword inside the derived class, it will be hide that one. Then when that like fast derived class is printed, then it will be using the super classes. It will be like printed the first one, it's the super classes. Okay, so next one we have polymorphism. Yeah, let's see how can you do that. Document dot write, in that I have to print like vectic. Wait, it's like require, wait a minute. Yeah, in that I have written this. So whatever you have to access, like any property you want to access inside the classes by using the this keyword, this you can access that properties data. Okay, so in that format I will access by using this keyword. Okay, if you like you want to access the property outside the classes, then you not like we are using the this keyword, we cannot do that. Okay, by using the object reference we can do that. Wait, this dot, yeah, it require. Next one we have this dot is the last name, and next one we have designation. Okay, designation, last name, and in that we are designation. Wait, this dot designation. Okay, done. And in that I have written like br tag, so it will break that one. Okay, every element, every classes, it will be break. One class, in that I have written developer. Developer is a designation. Developer. Okay, extend, wait, extend, employee. Okay, so we are accessing that super classes in our derived classes. This one are derived classes and this one super classes. By using extend here, we are like doing that one. But in the multiple classes we have, how can you like access that one? Let's see. At first I copy that one, so I assign the data whatever like developer name and developer last name and designation. Then I have to go like Johan. Okay, Johan is the name of the first name and last name is like Kumar, Johan Kumar, and designation of like developer. Okay, developer. Okay, then I have to using print method. I will do that. Wait, print. Yeah, print method. It need to be super keyword to access the employee. Okay, super dot print method. It's print. Okay, in that print we are like print that one document dot write. Okay, in that developer, the developer role, design and build, build. Okay, build and test. Okay guys, so I copy each of that. I have changed that one. Okay, yeah, so copy that one, test. Okay, it need to be next one is like I want to the admin of that. Okay, admin and employee. Name of the admin is like Ajit. Okay, it's admin. In that he will be, what is the role of that? It's the wait, developer role or yeah, admin role. Okay, admin role. What is the admin role? It's credential or configuration and mapping. Okay, mapping. Wait, mapping. Okay, guys, here's the admin role. Okay, guys. In that also I have written here. Okay. So next one we have manager. 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 Okay. What is the name of manager? It's like Kiran Jyoti. Okay. Kiran Jyoti. Manager. Manager. Okay. Next we have, what is the role of that? Manager role is that manager. Manager role. Okay. The approval need to be approval and project approval. Okay, all of that is project approval. Okay, need to be BR. Okay, we are not working because we need to be. Okay, I will return. Okay, wait, in that format I have written that one. It's better. It need to be same and it need to be same because we are not written in that backtick. That's why it's required. Okay, so how can you access three classes in that? So we are I teach you like what are the array. By using array method we are accessing three like employee details. So let's see how can you let it's like employee employees. Okay, in that I have written a new memory. Okay, new memory in that array. Okay, in the array I have to return new for developer. For developer role I have to create a new memory. Okay, developer, wait, developer I have to create a new memory. Okay guys, so next one we have creating new memory for admin also, and new memory for manager. Okay, wait, new memory for admin, new memory for manager. Okay, manager, wait, manager. Okay, next we are accessing whatever data we want. We have to access that one. Admin, it's like admin. Okay, class. Okay, it's not required, I think. Yeah, that define admin also. Yeah, let's see it's working fine or not. What is the issue? No issue. Okay, so I will start again. Wait. We are using extend also, right? And manager employee. Okay, we are doing same things. Okay, let's see. Ah, same thing also not working. There is no error, but it's not showing. Why? Okay, it's like class employee in that first name last name designation print that. Okay, it's done. Designation also developer extend employee. Yeah, super keyword in that print. Wait, super print. Yeah, we are like done same, but why it's not working? If I remove that one. Hmm. Okay, so I will send you the example of that like what is that polymorphism example in the classroom. Let's see that one. Okay, it's like something error in that. Okay, I will share you like the code. Let's check your in your system. Okay, so what is polymorphism? How can you access? You understand? I think it's a like process, but in that any error in that, that's why it's not showing. But I will say you like how can you? I will at first test that one, then I will share you. Okay, so don't worry about that. So I hope you understand how can you like do that polymorphism. At first you have to access like whatever property you want to. You have to do that one. Then you have to print by using print method. Okay. In that print also you have to like whatever like data you want to like assign to that particular property, or a particular data you want to access to the particular property. You have to assign that one. Then you want to print that one. Okay. I will say you like what are the issue in that. I will say you in that classroom. Okay, let's see that one. So next we have to go to the like arrow function. Okay, what is arrow function? Arrow function is the shortcut method to print like arrow function is the shortcut method to or like print expression and whatever value you have to evaluate from that like using arrow function or lambda function. What is that? Let's see. It is variable. In that we have any of the function is print. Print is my function. In that I have to access, okay, this one, and in that I have written document dot write. It's the arrow function. Arrow function functi1 arrow function and lambda function lambd lambda function. Okay, lambda function, and you need to be call that print function. Okay, let's see it's printed or not. It's printed fine. Like if you observe that one, wait, I will show you that one. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, it's printed arrow function and lambda function. Okay, so this one is the lambda. We are doing that like variable and f1. In that we are returning, and in that document dot write. Okay, in that we are like doing that normal function. Okay, I've written normal function. Okay, so we are calling that function. Okay, like f1. Wait, it's not variable, it's function. Wait, I will change that one. It's function fun. Okay, function, it's both working. Okay, normal function. Have you observed that one? It's normal function. So what is the difference between that? Like let's say like a shortcut method. So by using the if you want to like use the parameter inside, you can return the parameter quantity or whatever you want to return, any of the parameter, and in that also you have to return parameter. Okay, and this is the like print method. It's a return type. Okay, okay, this one is the return type in that, and this one is the return type in that. So this is the like arrow function, lambda method, lambda function, and next one we have normal function. The normal function is the lambda or the arrow function. Okay, I hope you understand. So next we have to go to that whatever like event we have there. In that event means when you like click that one, or on mouse over on mouse over on like out mouse over, whatever event are there, when you do that action, it will be perform a action in that like any of the like print a content or print like display image, whatever you have to return in that code. Okay, so whatever uh, right, event we are there, I will discuss with you. Okay, any doubt in the polymorphism and in the concept? Any doubt you can ask me on the polymorphism, inheritance, and aggregation. Any doubt you can ask me. I will share you like example of that, but this is the concept. Okay, how can you like access that value? How can you print that value? We are doing that one, but it need to be like something wrong in that. Okay, same thing I will share you on your like classroom. Let's check that. Okay, any doubt without like example like any concept in the polymorphism? What is polymorphism? What, how can you access the data? Why we are like using that to print method? And any doubt you can ask me. Guys, are you there now? Okay. What about other? Okay. So let's see what are the functions, what are the event we had in that JavaScript. Let's see. So we have on change, on change, on click, on click, not in chemicals, you have to written in that normal. Okay, on change, on click, we are already discussed that one. On click, when we are like click that button, it will be show something. Okay, on mouse over, on mouse over, mo like on mouse over means it's hover. In that css we are discussing hover, hover. In that, when like our mouse over to the any image, it will be large or it will be shrink or whatever, we have to do that one. We can mention that by using that method also we can do that. Mouse over, okay, on mouse over, on mouse out, mouse out, over, wait, so over, on mouse over, on mouse out. Next we have on key down. On key down is like when you have to like entering the enter button in the keyboard, like any of the in that boxes you have to return anything, and after that you have to enter that one is on key down. Okay, and onload, we are already discussed that one, when the page load, onload. Okay, and we have other event is there, unfocus, unfocus, focus, focus. Okay, so I will show you one two example, then you have to try yourself. Okay, wait, I've written one example in that body, and in that I have written unload. I already discussed that one, no need to be described again and again. Okay, I will discuss any other event, so you have to understand better. Okay, on mouse over. Okay, I will show you on mouse over. Hmm, what is that? On mouse over. Okay, I have written a button. Okay, in that I have on click, on click, on mouse over, mouse move, mouse over. Okay, and to call over, mouse over. Okay, I will call mouse over. Okay, so wait, it's function. Okay, it's a function. On mouse is there a function, I have to call that one, event. Okay, event. In that I have written on mouse over, on MOUS, mouse over, mouse over, I think. Yeah, function is mouse over, I think. Yeah, mouse over. Wait, I copy that one, paste in that. I want to print when the mouse over, in that it's required function, function functi1 function. Okay, document dot write action perform, action perform. Okay, done, action perform done. I have to already call that function. Okay, let's see. When I mouse over that, let's see. I will refresh that one again. Let's see. In mouse, I don't have any mouse over in that button. When I mouse over on that event, it will be perform. Action perform done. Okay. Like on mouse out. When I return the event, it's on mouse out. Let's see. When I move that one, it's not like something is occur, but when I mouse over on that, it will be perform. Okay, let's see. In my mouse, so mouse is that in over of that button, but when I remove that one, it will be action will be perform. Okay, and next one we have uh, like on mouse off, over, and all these things are there. Okay, you have to try yourself. And on mouse move, okay, when I mouse move on that, it will be perform. Have you observed that one? Okay, it is the event. Okay, and we have on blur. On blur is that I've discussed on blur. BLUR. Okay, on blur. Okay, let's see on blur, and next we have on invalid. Many of the event is there. So invalid, on sort, on select, on submit also there. Okay, on focus. Focus means when I focus, like when I return a input box, in that input text. Okay, in that I have written any on focus. Okay, in that I have to call wait, on focus. Okay, I have written the focus in my function is focus. I have to copy that one. Wait, copy that one and paste in that function. Okay, let's see. Okay, focus means when I like click that one, it will be printed. Okay, in that I want to console. I have written console dot log. Okay, in that I have to print done. Okay, let's see. When I right click on that, okay, it's not changing. Okay, unfocus. It's yeah, unfocus. Unfocus means like you have to written like when you focus on that in the input box, it will be perform. Okay, wait. Let's see, it's working fine or not. Then we have to go forward. Yeah, is there? Wait, console. Have you observed that one? It's done is occur. If I write a document dot write, document dot write, document wait, document dot write. Okay. So when I click that one, it will be perform. Okay. When I click that one, means in that boxes. Okay, without clicking the inside the block boxes, it will not be perform. Means it's focus the particular box. Okay, and we have other of event is that you try yourself on chance, you know that when I change something in that any particular selection, any particular content, it can be performed on click, you know that on mouse over, you know that on mouse out, you know that on key down, when I click like enter, it will be on key down, and on load, you know that when the page load, on focus, unload means you have to return something and stop it. After that, it will be on load. Okay, on invalid means something is invalid. In that on submit means you have to submit anything, in that it will fail for. Okay, I hope you understand event function, how it will work. You try yourself from the any internet, using internet. You have to search what are the event are there in the javascript, then you have to try yourself. And in that internet also, we have much example is there, so you see that one. If you any of the doubt in that event or arrow function or in that polymorphism and o concept, let me know. I will solve that one, and I will say that two example of that. First one is polymorphism, then aggregation. Two example I will share you in the classroom. Try yourself. Concept is same, but the error in that, I will solve that one, then I will share you on that classroom. Okay guys, I hope you understand JavaScript better. Any doubt you can ask me. Whatever doubt you have in the JavaScript, let me know. Visual. Vamsi, visual is an event you have to ask me. Visual means what? It's the event or any other like what you ask me. Hello, Vamsi. Are you asking me any question on that, like visible or any my like screen or not visible? What do you want to told me? So I will not understand whatever what you want to told me. Let me know chat box. I will discuss that one. If you want to like any event in the visible or you want to don't want to visible my screen, so I will see you or show you that my screen also. Okay, guys. So any doubt you can ask me on the chat box as well as message in personal. I will say share you whatever concept I have in my mind. Okay. 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 So JavaScript is finished. So next tomorrow we have to discuss Bootstrap. Okay. So in the Bootstrap we are by using Bootstrap. How can you do that? We are see all these things and in the Bootstrap is like a designing is like shortcut designing we have means in that border and all these things we can do that by simply on shortcut. Okay, we are learn that one in the tomorrow session. If in any doubt in the JavaScript from starting point to from end point variable and what is variable, what is keyword, what is statement expression and like method and like properties and whatever you have to study in that JavaScript. And any doubt you can ask me in that personally also in the group also. Okay. Okay, guys. Let in the chat box if yes, yes or no, no. So I will understand like you understand or not. I will let you know. Okay. Okay, Chanakesha. Thank you so much, guys, for attending the session. Then it's like a 10-day left. We are like finish our classes. Okay. So I already told you yesterday session you make a project yourself. Okay. So like start your project. Okay. Then you have to submit whatever project you have to done. Then you get your certificate or whatever you want. Okay. In from career dream education. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.